Hey everyone, if you are having trouble logging into apps on your iPhone after an update, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, swipe up from the bottom for close all tabs on your iPhone. Just close all of your tabs. Then update your apps. You have to open App Store. Then tap your profile icon to the top right corner, and there you can see your updates for apps. Then update all apps or update the specific app you're having trouble with. Apps need to match the latest iOS version, so always keep them updated. Check and disable VPN. Check settings, tap on to general and search for VPN and device management and tap on this option. Turn off if any VPN is activated. If issues persist, delete the VPN and try again. VPNs can interfere with apps logins. Then you have to go to settings again and search for date and time on your iPhone. You have to tap onto date and time or just search your date, and you will have the option here and tap onto it. That's it. Fix your date and time on your iPhone or turn it to set automatically. Ensure your time zone matches your location and area. That's it. And also check screen time and make sure your downtime is off on your iPhone. Tap onto screen time, tap onto it and scroll down and turn off downtime on your iPhone, or just make this option off. Restrictions may block app access, and if the problem persists, reinstall the app from the App Store, and that's it. And the last option is force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up and volume down button quickly, and then hold the side button until the screen goes completely black. Then just restart your iPhone. This doesn't delete any of your data. And also update your iOS to the latest version. To do it, you have to go to settings and tap onto general, and then go to software update. If any update is available, make sure that you updated your software on the latest version. After following these steps, you should be able to log into your apps again. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.